Okay, everybody, so here is a very brief way for me to show you how to save your documents on the Google Classroom. Some of y'all are having trouble with this. Some of y'all have been editing my document. You cannot edit any of my documents. They have to become your own documents. So let me show you. You're going to come up here. Here's my mouse. I hope you can see it. You're going to click File. You're going to scroll down. Scroll down to where it says Make a Copy. When you do that, it's going to give you the opportunity to rename your copy. So let's just say whatever, your name. Okay, so your name, copy of lab report template. It's going to go to your drive. You're going to click OK. And when you do that, it's going to pop up the copy of mine. And so now this is solely yours. See up here before when we were doing this and you were looking at it, you can see right here everybody who's logged in to my copy. But right here you can see this is now just your copy. So you're going to put in here whichever one, your name. You'll type in your name. You're going to type in what the assignment is. So for this assignment, it's going to be plant growth lab report as an example. You're going to type in which class this is, which is biology, and whichever class period you have me in. And then all of this stuff, each one of these is a heading. So maybe I make this bold and underlined, so my title, my statement or the background information, the hypothesis, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through here. You can erase all the bullet points. Those are just some thoughts for you as you're doing this, and you can kind of fill it in where it needs to be filled in. Okay, this shouldn't be terribly difficult, but again, I wanted to give you all the opportunity to see exactly how you make a copy for yourself. Again, it goes into your drive. So if we go up here, I'm going to click this. It's going to show me Google Docs. I'm going to click Drive right here. And now under My Drive, what you are going to see, it should be one of the very first things. There it is. Your name, copy of lab report. So again, it would say whatever your name is. And you'd open it up and bam, I'm right back to where I was. Okay, and you can even see the edits that I made when I made this bold and underline. It saved it automatically. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to text through Remind or email me. But this should help y'all out tremendously. Hope y'all have a good weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.